The garden bed that I grow my dahlias in is about 500 square feet, but it doesn't take much to maintain at all. In fact, right now there's nothing that really has to be done, but felt like coming out and doing just a little bit of cleanup. So I thought I would bring you along for that, so I can show you just what it takes to maintain this garden bed during the summer. Now, we've been fortunate with watering and haven't had to do really much supplemental watering at all, but I do have soaker hoses that are running under the mulch, and I did a video on how I set that up, so I'll put a link to that down in the description. Also, my purpose for coming out here is kind of twofold. Yeah, I want to do a bit of cleanup, but also I just want to kind of go through and check on all of the plants, the dahlias in particular, but also I have cannas and elephant ears. We have cleome and echinacea. I've got some roses. So there's all kinds of stuff that are growing, and I like to stand back and look at everything, but sometimes you want to kind of get in there in the flower bed and get up and close and see what everything is doing. So I do want to do a bit of light weeding. The weeding has actually gotten a lot easier since we mulched the bed earlier in the season. A few of the dahlias have started to bloom. A lot of them have a lot of buds on them, which is really exciting. So not just some of the smaller plants that I have, but some of the taller ones, they are growing and growing well. So that is just a quick maintenance session. Did some weeding, did a little bit of deadheading, got to kind of check out and see what things are looking like. I'm really happy with this flower bed. I love the way that we're getting some continuity between this bed and the bed beyond. So lastly, I just want to say thank you very much for watching. Make sure you click that subscribe button. We'll be coming out with more dahlia content and other snapshots from our garden all year long. So until next time, happy gardening.